In this video, I'm going to show you how to match receipts in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, of course, first you must upload your receipts. So go to over here under All Apps, and then here inside Accounting, you can find receipts. Now here you basically have to upload or of course import your receipts. I have one over here, which is just an example over here, which I basically generated with AI just to show you how it works. So whenever you've done that, you can then go and of course click on the action over here. So there's like a drop down arrow. You want to click on the arrow, and what you want to do is click on find a match. Now if it's automatically found, you're going to know here, you'll just have to press a button, but if it's not, you'll be able to click on find a match over here. Now if QuickBooks Online doesn't suggest a match here, you'll basically have to search it manually, locate the correct expense, and then choose match. So I'm just going to go and select the expense here. This is an expense. Who did you pay? Then of course I'm just going to click on this one over here just for an example, and then the payment account as well. You have the account date and the method over here as well as the number, and of course you could do locations too if you have those enabled. And then down here, as you can see, you can simply click on save and close, and then whenever you've done that, you'll see it's going to close here, and there we go. It's now basically been matched. It's no longer over here under for review. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.